Vicente Sederberg was formed in 2010, at which time the state was working to establish the country's first regulated marijuana market.
You know, the genesis of the firm was the founders helping create the industry in the first place.
Although many states had tried before that, it was the way they approached it and the fact that they understood what was going to resonate with the public and resonate with voters, as well as regulators, quite honestly. That's what really made it work.
I'm really impressed with the business acumen, the legal acumen. I mean, these were trailblazers.
It was this combination of activism and business law that really sets our firm apart.
We started Vicente Sederberg because we truly cared about cannabis policy and reform.
Our mission was pretty simple. It was, how do we end cannabis prohibition in Colorado, build a law firm around it, and then work to end cannabis prohibition in other states and throughout the country and throughout the world.
This is a firm that has been looking ahead for years and sees what's coming and takes part in creating what's next.
We touch every aspect of cannabis law and policy. And so we see our clients do amazing things and we're able to help them do amazing things. So it's been very cool to be part of.
Vicente Sederberg is a real partner in this issue of diversity, equity, and real inclusion.
They're opening the door. That's what they're helping me with, you know, so I can give back to the community. They believe in my vision, they see it, and they're helping me execute.
I'm really proud of the community we've built, and just bringing this many like-minded people together to push for change is a really powerful thing.
We're filled with some of the smartest, most hardworking, intelligent cannabis nerds across the country.
What I'm most proud of are what we've achieved for our clients and the ethos of the firm and putting the client needs first.
Vicente Sederberg's reputation in the cannabis industry is unprecedented because this industry requires, I think, an in-depth knowledge of regulation and relationships in that space, the actual nuts and bolts of contract development, and then insight into where the industry is going.
Vicente Sederberg is really at the forefront of helping resolve many of the challenges that face the industry today.
We remain engaged with state and federal policymakers to do what we can to help shape those laws so that we have a successful industry.
The firm is definitely poised, to play a very strong role in both shaping the future, but continuing to represent, the best and most responsible players in these new industries that we're creating together.
The last 10 years has been amazing. It's been the greatest privilege and honor of my life. I can't wait for the next 10.